Hello everyone! I have created this task manager template in Google Sheets. It has simple design but very effective to list the projects and to-do tasks. Recorded tasks you can also view in the Google Tasks and Slack. At top left corner, I have included avatar icon, which can be changed in the Settings tab. Next button is my list view, which is actual screen. Then is board tasks view. Then today's tasks. Fourth button is my Overdue Tasks and Settings tab. The email appear automatically according to the drive where the template is. Below is the list where the projects will be recorded. The main table is a list where the tasks will be recorded according to the project. In the top menu, I have included Task Manager menu. By clicking it will open the menu functions. Here you can record new projects, which will be listed in the Projects area. Add Task will record tasks according to the project, and it will be listed in the main table area. Search function will open the list of all tasks that you have recorded in data table design. My list view is actual screen and have the same function as first button. My board tasks have same function as second button. Today's tasks have functions like third button, and my overdue tasks have functions same as fourth button. In the setting menu, you can change the task labels and reminder email template, where you can add reminder for task, and you will automatically receive email with the task details in the selected date. In the integration part, you can add Slack webhook and channel, and the task will also be visible in Slack. In the help area, I have included this video and also the setup video for this template. And the last part, you can change the background color of this template according to your preference. First, I will record projects for this demo. So in the top menu, I will click Add Project. You can add project name. Checking the favorite checkbox, it will add the icon star near the recorded project and choose the circle color. And the last checkbox will also add this project to Google Tasks list. Not selected, it will only create a project in the Google Sheets. By recording the project, it will be listed under my project's label. Also, icon star will appear near the project. The last column will count how many tasks have been recorded for this project. If you use Workspace, the side panel with Google Tasks will be visible. If not, you can check Tasks in your Google Calendar under the Tasks icon. I will record another project and list it in Google Tasks. Selecting the checkbox with the label Create Task List, it will create the project in the Google Tasks automatically. Now I will add task for this project. It is mandatory to select checkbox, so the task should appear under the selected project. Optionally, by selecting the reminder date, you will receive the email for this task in the selected date. You can change the email subject and content in the menu. The labels also can be updated in the menu according to your preferences. Last checkboxes will automatically add this task into Google Tasks and Slack. For this example, I will add this task in Google Tasks under Project To list. So task will appear in the Google Sheets, and also will be listed under the Project To Google Tasks. Next, I will add another task that will be viewed in Google Tasks and Slack. Optionally, if you select both checkboxes, this task will be visible in Google Tasks and Slack. The last columns in the table have icons that you can see where the tasks are visible. In the Slack, tasks will appear under the channel name. Currently, I have added to-do list, and by adding the webhook, tasks will appear in this channel. When you complete the tasks from Google Tasks, make sure also to remove from Google Sheets. This template only push informations to Google Tasks. Next, in the search menu, all the tasks can be visible. Here you can view or search specific tasks. In the last column, task status, when tasks is removed from the list as completed, the task status will appear as done. To complete the task, you need to click at the checkbox, and it will remove the task from the list. By this, you can manage unfinished and finished tasks. So when you open the search form, the finished tasks will be updated to done. In Project 1, I will add some other tasks for this example. Let's say I have added 10 tasks under Project 1. If I change the project, it will give only tasks related to that project. Also, you can see where the tasks have been visible. Second button, My Board Tasks, will change the screen automatically. Here you can see card tasks under the drop-down labels. Labels can be updated in the menu settings, then task labels. Here you can change labels according to your preferences with the limit of 5 labels. Those labels are also linked when you add new tasks under the label drop-down menu. Example, if we complete one task from the list menu, it will be removed from the board tasks as well. Clicking the third button will change screen to today's tasks. Here is the area for the tasks that need to be finished today. Here is the area for the tasks that should be finished in next 5 days, and the tasks that should be finished in next 10 days. Let's create another task as an example that the deadline is today. Task will be visible in today's tasks. Next button is my Overdue Tasks. Here will be listed all the tasks that have been overdue to more than 3 days. And below table will include tasks that have been finished. Let's create one overdue task as an example. So example, if the deadline overdue by 3 days, the tasks will appear here. If during the time you have finished this task, you can update status in Tasks List view by clicking in the checkbox. So if we return, you will notice that the task will go to the already finished tasks with the note of the delayed days. Top right part include how many tasks you have received in your email as a reminder. And the last part will change the color of the template according to your preferences. To change the avatar icon, click at the Settings button. It will open the Settings tab, where you can select the checkbox near the avatar icon. For this example, in the Overdue Tasks, I have triggered the actual time, so I have received today's email as a notification for the task that I should start working. So tasks that I have set reminder for today is 1. I have received 1 email as a reminder. This is the example email template. You can change it according to your preferences. Click at the Task Manager menu, then Settings, then Reminder Email Template. Here you can update your desired email template. Semi-bracket labels will pull the project name, description, dates, and so on in the email.